backups. So what can I backup with Azure Backup Service? Well, you can backup on-premises servers, right? So from on-premises, you can configure backups to Microsoft Azure Recovery Service vaults. You can backup Azure virtual machines. You can backup Azure managed disks, right? I think, can anybody tell me what is the difference between managed and unmanaged disks? There are two types of hard drives: managed hard disks, unmanaged hard disks, right? So managed disks are managed, I mean, the storage account, the IO capacity, the throughput limitations, it's all managed by Microsoft. We just create hard drives, connect them to the virtual machines, and that's all. Unmanaged hard drives are managed by the customers. So we create that storage account, and storage account has got a limitation on number of files, throughput, IOPS. So it all has to be handled by the customers, that is by us. We have got 4 data services like what? Blob storage, files, tables, and queues. So when you create a storage account, that storage account capacity in terms of IOPS or throughput or GBs is shared by all 4. So we have to handle that entire thing. So Azure managed disks, that means disks that are managed by Microsoft Azure, can be backed up using Azure Backup Service. Unmanaged disks cannot be backed up. Okay, I mean, we used to have that option, but now with Azure Backup Center, we cannot back up unmanaged disks. That means Microsoft is slowly pushing customers to go for managed, not for unmanaged. And we can back up Azure file shares, Azure blobs, SQL servers, HANA, Postgres, whatnot. And that is the reason in the previous slide you see it says a single unified management experience. It's a single backup solution that allows you to back up on-premises servers, Azure virtual machines, disks, file shares, blobs, SQL, HANA, Postgres, whatnot. Everything you can back up in one place, that is Azure Backup Service.